Hello everyone, myself Boishakhi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will solve problem on work, energy and power of ICSE class 10 concise physics. Section B, exercise number 9, on which you guys definitely have some problem. Or if don't, then also see the video for the concept that how can I solve it. For other problem on same chapter, please see my previous video. So the question is, a block A whose weight is 200 Newton is pulled up a slope of length 5 meter by means of a constant force F equals to 150 Newton as illustrated in figure. Then what is the work done by the force in moving the block A 5 meter along the slope? Part 2 is, by how much has the potential energy of the block A increased? And the part 3 is, account for the difference in work done by the force and the increase in potential energy of the block. So, this is a inclined plane whose length of the slope is 5 meter and weight of the block is 200 Newton, which is pulled up with a force of 150 Newton. Here force is 150 Newton and the weight of the block is 200 Newton. So let's start with part 1. Here displacement is 5 meter in same direction with force. So here work done equals to, we know force into displacement. Therefore, it will be equals to 150 Newton into 5 meter. Therefore, it will be 750 Joule. So, the first part is very clear and the work done is here 750 Joule. For part 2, the question is, by how much has the potential energy of the block A increased? Guys, if the block is here, then height h equals to 0 and the potential energy will also equals to 0 because potential energy equals to mgh. When block reach here, then what will be the height? 5 meter or 3 meter? Its height will be 3 meter because to calculate potential energy we will always take the vertical height. Please remember it. So initial potential energy equals to, here initial potential energy equals to 0 here, and final potential energy equals to, here m into g into h. Here weight equals to 200 Newton, which is equals to m into g. Therefore, here mg will be equals to 200 Newton into 3 meter. That will be equals to 600 Joule. So at first potential energy equals to 0. After reaching on the top of the inclined plane, it increases to 600 Joule. Therefore difference, that is increase of potential energy, equals to 600 Joule. So it will be the answer. So here answer will be 600 Joule, right? For part 3, account for the difference in work done by the force and the increase in potential energy of the block, because here they want to know the difference in between part 1 and part 2. Therefore, here work done by the force was 750 Joule and increase in potential energy is 600 joule. So think, how can it be possible? You guys may think that some potential energy has been converted to kinetic energy, which is not correct, because here speed of the block is 0 as it is pulled up with force very slowly, so its speed not increased. Then 750 joule minus 600 joule equals to 150 joule energy is where? So guys, its answer is the difference 150 joule. Here the difference that 150 joule energy is used in doing work against friction between the block and the slope, which will appear as heat energy. When we pull up the body upward, then friction acts along downward. So we should do work against friction. So from 750 joule work, only 600 joule energy, the body, only with 600 joule energy, the body is pulled up on the top, and 150 joule energy is used to overcoming the friction. So please guys, don't use your kinetic energy wala concept, because I have already told you that here speed equals to 0. So it is the explanation. Thank you for watching. On next video I will come with another problem. Please wait, will come soon.